Okay, this is my electric bike project. I just have to decide which bike I can convert to electric. I think this one with a green one is a good contender because it's green and electric cars are green, so I think it's gonna be this green one. This green one is gonna be the one. Just have to find the fairings and tank and stuff for it. Then I can see if this can be an electric bike. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, yeah, I've got this green one. But okay, I'll get the fenders and the tank later on. But this is it. But I see potential. The motor can come in here, the batteries in the front, the controller in the tank. Yeah, man. How difficult could it be? Huh? Easy, man, easy. There's a 96 volt, 10 kilowatt motor. It's got to fit in there, man. Lekker with the batteries under the fairing. Yeah, it's 10 kilowatt, but 50 kilowatt for a short time. But yeah, can't wait to put it in, man.